Hello, respectable audience. I have a question. 8 divided by 4 divided by 8 divided by 4. Mostly the people will solve such type of question in the way 8 divided by 4 is equal to 2 divided by 8 divided by 4. It is also equal to 2. So 2 divided by 2 will be equal to 1. And 1 will be their answer. But remember that this method is not correct. So I have to solve it again. So I have to write question 8 divided by 4 divided by 8 divided by 4. Now I will solve it again. And we have to move from left to right. So 8 divided by 4, it is simple. We will get 2 divided by 8 divided by 4. So, again, we have to move from left to right. So 2 as it is. Divide is changed into multiplication. And 8 is flipped. So we will get 1 by 8. Divided by 4 will remain unchanged. 2 and 8 are cancelled, so we will get 1 by 4 divided by 4. Okay, now 1 by 4 will be as it is. Divide is changed into multiplication, and 4 is flipped, so it will become 1 by 4. Now 1 times 1 will be equal to 1, and 4 times 4 will be equal to 16. So 1 by 16 will be our answer. Thank you for watching my YouTube video.